Hey everyone, this is Brennan from Colton RV, and we are at the Buffalo Niagara Convention Center for the Buffalo Auto Show. We don't have with us our usual Class A buses or our travel trailers or fifth wheels. What we brought with us to the Buffalo Auto Show are smaller, more compact, road trip ready Class B and Class C motorhomes. Let's go take a look at the units that we have on display. The first one that you're going to find here is one of the larger Class Bs that we brought with us to the auto show. This is the 2022 Grech Strada Ion. The Strada exemplifies what a luxury Class B motorhome should be, with remarkable quality, craftsmanship, and attention to detail never before seen in the Class B motorhome world. All right, let's keep moving down the line. The next one that we're going to find is the 2022 Thor Sanctuary. With thoughtful floor plans, advanced technology, and interiors designed with your family in mind, this isn't just your home, it's your sanctuary. All right, as we keep working our way through the display, the next RV that we're going to find is from Tiffin. This is the 2022 Tiffin Cahaba. Small in size, but massive in adventure. The Cahaba is ready for just about anything. Are you? Okay guys, and the next RV that we have on display here is the only Class C that we have with us. This is the 2022 Tiffin Wayfarer. The Wayfarer offers more of everything you want in a Class C, along with the luxurious styling and amenities synonymous with Tiffin. And behind me, the next RV in our display is the 2022 Thor Motorcoach Sequence. The memories you make out there are the centerpiece of your journey, and we're just along for the ride. The Sequence takes you wherever you want to make those moments happen. So as you work your way through the back of our display, you'll find that we have this Kuma Heated Buddy Chair, a solo stove, and an awesome patio mat as a giveaway. So if you're coming down to the show, make sure to enter for your chance to win these awesome items. Let's go take a look at the last RV that we have on display here, guys, the 2022 Thor Motorcoach Scope. When you're ready to change your perspective, you know what to do. Reach new heights with the Scope. The Buffalo Auto Show runs through Sunday, so if you're coming down, make sure to stop by the Colton RV display and let us help you plan your next road trip.